Hi, so here our 4K 64x4 HDMI switcher with the audio embedded. So basically this is the Lite version, which means like it's only half view of the chassis, and it's the front panel, and we have the output 4, 3, 2, 1, and this one is for the audio selection. And audio is actually to select from the input for inputs, so we can check out on the back side. So on the back side right now, we can see here we have 4 HDMI inputs, then 4 HDMI outputs, then 2 audio out, and one is the 3.5 audio and SPDIF, and also can support the RS-232 commands control and the DC power supply. So this is the unit. Right now I have 2 HDMI inputs, one is from the laptop and another one is from the media player. So right now I'm going to do the switching for the output 4, because right now I have it connected to the output 4. So for the switching, we just simply press the select button on the output 4. It will just select the 4 inputs directly. So we can check out. So input 1, which is from the media player. Input 2 is from the laptop. So for the audio, and we can use the IR remote control as well. So this, which is from the media player, we can check out. Switch to the input 1. And switch to the input 2. Because right now I didn't have any source, can just have a one start playing. Okay, so now the laptop is playing a video and the sound is coming out from the speaker, but actually on this TV is still showing from the source one. If we hit the so this one is from the player and from the laptop from the player. So this audio button is which basically we just reach from the input source audio sound. This is the IR remote control. It's going to be the same way. Switch to the input 2 from the laptop. Input 1, 2, and audio from the input 1, two, okay, thank you.